What's up, guys? Welcome in and welcome back to my channel if you guys are completely new. Hello, I'm sincerely Niko. In today's video, we're going to be trying out the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Iced Out collection, 2 glosses, a highlighter, and the new brow freeze. So if you guys are interested in this video, then definitely keep on watching. But before we do so, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Join me here on YouTube. Be a part of the EXO squad where we get lit on this side of YouTube. And let's go ahead and jump right on into this video.
You used to call me on mine. You used to. Yeah.
A little bit of logistics about the brow freeze. The brow freeze retails for $23. She is 0.28 ounces or 8 grams. So to me, this kind of gives me a little bit of got to be glue, but without all of that squeezing and the messy and the extraness that you have to do to get that soap brow hair moment. I'm excited to see if this actually tames my brows. I do have fuller brows, so we'll see how she works on them. But the new highlighter from Anastasia Beverly Hills is the Iced Out highlighter, which retails for $34. You get a total of 0.39 ounces or 11 grams in this highlighter. I am going to do a swatch comparing it to the Amrezy highlighter because the packaging looks very much like the Amrezy packaging, but revamped, look a little bit more elevated, and of course it's white. So I'm going to try out or swatch both of them to see if the color scheme is a little bit more different. Of course the color scheme is a little bit more different, but to see if the formulation for them are a little bit more different as far as the glide and the blendability on people of color skin. They also released 2 new glosses. The first gloss I'm going to talk about is the Crystal Lip Gloss in the shade called Glass. It retails for $20. It retails for $20 and it has 0.16 fluid ounces or 4.8 milliliters. I'm excited to give this a go. I love the new packaging on it, of course. I think that the new updated rose gold top and everything that, you know, the applicator, the lip wand is really pretty. I'm excited to give this a go. I'm going to do it on bare lips just so that we can see how glossy it is, but I'm also going to try to pair it up with the lip color for you guys as well too, just to show you guys how it looks on the lips. The other gloss that they released as well too is the Diamond Gloss, and it's in the shade called Honey Diamond, which is really pretty as well too. Same amount, 16 ounces, fluid ounces, 4.8 milliliters. I'm also excited to give this a go because it definitely screams something that is great for a lip topper. Again, I'm going to try these out on a bare lip, and then I'm going to put these on top of a lip color combination that I want to show you guys, just so we can kind of see how the effect works. Alright guys, so I'm back skin prep because we are going to do some makeup. I'm not going to let myself just do brows and call it a day. I'm going to do a full face just to kind of see how this highlighter sits on the skin and my complexion and all of the good stuff. But nevertheless, skin is prepped. I'm ready to go in with the brow products. So let's go ahead and jump into Miss Brow Freeze. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and take my spoolie. I'm going to be using the Anastasia 14 brush. I'm going to go ahead and take some out on the spoolie. Take just a little bit. Close her up because I don't want her to dry. And I'm going to place it on the top just like how Nervina did in her video. I did watch her video about the product just to see how it works and perform, because I don't want to kind of like start freezing my brows in the wrong direction. So let's go ahead and apply. Alright, so that's the brows freezed, tamed, and slightly laid down. I think this is a pretty good brow gel. I want to see how it holds color, preferably. So I'm going to go ahead and take my Anastasia Dip Brow, and I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit into the brows. I'm going to be using the shade Ebony, and I'm also going to be using the number 14 brush as well too. I'm going to lay these down just a little bit, just press them down how she did in the video as well. Okay, so the product definitely holds very well in the brows as well too. I think this is a really good brow product to put in your arsenal as well too. I usually have trouble having products stick to the outer portion of my tail, so we'll see how this holds up on the outer portion of my tail. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other brow real quickly so that we can go ahead and zoom through the foundation application and come back and dry out the highlighters and lip gloss. Alright guys, and we're back. Face is pretty much ready to go. We're going to go into the highlighters, but before we do so, we're going to be doing some swatches to see the difference between the Amrezy palette, or to see the difference between the Amrezy highlighter and the new Iced Out highlighter. Alright, so here are the components side by side. As you guys can see, they have that same component packaging. Of course, the outer components is different. The back is also different as well too, as far as the ingredients, packaging. But I think it's the same component, if you get what I'm saying. It's like the same component but different unicartons, or whatever case may be. Alright, so here's the inside of the two highlighters. As you guys can see, Amrezy is more of a champagne colored gold, whereas the Ice Out is very white on camera. To me, it reads a little bit more of a yellow gold in real life with this lighting situation, but on camera I'm seeing very much of a white tone, whereas Amrezy is a little bit more deeper in person, but it shows champagne. So let's go ahead and do some swatches of the two. I'm gonna go ahead and take the Amrezy, and I'm gonna take the Ice. Amrezy is on my middle finger. And the Iced Out is on my ring finger. Alright, so here is the Amrezy. Here is Iced Out. Iced Out came out very much deeper than the Amrezy highlighter. It's very much more of a yellow gold, like I previously stated, whereas Amrezy is definitely a champagne gold. I'm going to go ahead and pop the Iced Out on the cheek so we can kind of see how she looks on my complexion with this look. Let's pray she doesn't really turn into a whole 360 situation, but I'm excited to pop this on the cheeks. So I'm gonna give the face just a little spray with the Sephora. This is the Sephora Beauty Amplified setting spray. Really inexpensive setting spray if you guys are looking for something that's very much a great long wear and a good dupe to the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. I would definitely say this is a great dupe. Alright, face is moist. Taking my Anastasia A23, going with the grooves, picked up enough, and we're just going to tap. Oh. I like the fact that it's not giving any gray cast on the face. It looks very natural on my skin tone. Of course, it's shabeaming, but it's not looking too weird on my skin tone, if you get what I'm trying to say. I'm gonna take my foundation brush. I'm just gonna kind of like blot a little bit off in certain areas. There we go. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump into the glosses. We're going to start off with the Crystal Gloss in the shade Glass. Oh, this is so unique. Just oddly satisfying. Ooh, Miss Glass Honey Bunny. It is not sticky. It's very hydrating, very comfortable. This might be the clear gloss for 2021. It was Glass Slippers last year. This might be the new gloss of 2021, the new clear gloss. So this is pretty much giving me what Diamond Milk's supposed to give. I feel like Diamond Milk is cute. It is a cute clear gloss, but it has silver reflex in it. This looks like it's silver reflex, but it has gold reflex in it, which is more universal flattering for everyone and everybody's skin tone. Personally, from my personal speaking, like if Diamond Milk is your thing, let it be your thing. It ain't my thing, if you get what I'm saying. But I really think that this is a great universal gloss. It looks silver in the packaging, but once it hits skin tone, it turns gold. It has like a golder reflex in it. I don't know what it is. It's witchcraft. It's honestly witchcraft. And I feel like Nirvana, you did some witchcraft with this. Like, she's a witch. You honestly created some witchcraft with this glass, with this diamond gloss. And what's the name of this? Cause Honey Diamond, she's some witchcraft. It should be named Witch's Brew. That gloss is nothing what it looks like in the packaging. Only downfall I have is that the glitter is left behind. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on a cute little lip combo to complete my look. And this video is pretty much done. And I'm gonna give you guys my final thoughts on this video. Alright guys, so this pretty much completes the video right here. Honestly, I think these products are a banger. My brows they're like stuck in place. They're literally frozen. I think this is a really good brow freeze, wax, soap brow moment, or whatever case may be. I think this is a really good product. The highlighter looks so good on my skin tone, and you guys know I'm a deeper complexion kind of gal. I wear shade 520 in Anastasia foundation. So if it fits me, it's a possibility to fit you as well too. And the glosses, I have on the clear gloss or glass gloss, which is from the Crystal Gloss collection. I have on the Crystal Glass gloss on top of Stone, and a brown lip liner from Morphe in the shade Trendsetter. This right here is me all season. A brown smoky with a brown nude lip. Period, sis. Period. Honestly, I think these products are really good. Do you need a clear gloss? Yes. Do you need this clear gloss? Yes. Do you need a shimmery gold clear gloss? Not really, but is it nice to have? Yes, I think it's nice to have. I think this highlighter is also pretty as well too, and the brow freeze with any Anastasia brow products will definitely work hand in hand. I actually, for the front of my brows, I actually mix a little bit of the pomade and the brow freeze together just to kind of make more of a creamier, waxier, moussier consistency, and it made my brows look so feathered but so put together in the front. Period. So I'm gonna go ahead and hop off of this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you made it this far from this video, please hit that subscribe button and join me here on YouTube. I would love to see you guys in the next video. With that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and hop off of here, and I will see you guys in the next video. I literally just said that twice. I'm gonna go, guys. It's getting a little late, so I'm gonna see you guys later. Peace. Bye.
I like that can only mean one thing. Ever since I left the city,